Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. Our today's topic is Indian and International Place Value System. So today in our class we will learn about the Indian place value charts and the international place value charts. So let's start with our topic. What is place value chart? Place value tells us the value of each digit in a numeral based on its position. A place value chart is one in which the position of digit in a number determine its value. It helps us to recognize large numbers. Place value charts are of two types. First one is Indian place value system, another one is international place value system. So we categorize all these numbers in between these two place value systems. First one is Indian place value system. So in this that you will see one table. In this, like, first group it is of ones, second group it is of thousand, third group it is of lakh, and the fourth group it is of crores. Okay, now this once it's divided in between three periods. One is hundred, tens, ones. Okay, in ones, like ones place, tens place, hundred place. Then in thousands it's categorized in between two, thousands and 10,000. Then it's come in lakh. In lakh also it is 2 lakh and 10 lakh. Then in crores it is also 2, like crore and 10 crores. Okay, so in Indian system of place value that we are using these four main names: ones, hundred, lakhs or crores. Let's have one example. It is written that 3,56,245, and we have to represent this number in the place value chart. So how we have done? We have written 5 in the ones column, we have written 4 in the tens column, we have written 2 in the hundreds column, and we have written 6 in the thousands column, and we have written 5 in the 10,000s column, and last it's given 3 we have written in the lakhs column. Okay, so in this way we can represent a given number in the place value chart. Afterwards, if like numbers are given of 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, so we can represent that number also according to the given example. Okay, so now let's have the another example. We will talk about the international system of place value. An international place value of system, we are having only 3 groups. Okay, in first it is ones, second is thousands, and fourth is million. See why we need the international place value system? Because for the worldwide, suppose we have to transfer the data worldwide, so it is the worldwide system, we can use it in whole world. Okay, so in this also that 3 groups are there: ones, thousands and millions. Once it's divided in 3 parts: ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands it's divided in 3, and millions also divided in 3. In this tens and hundreds, okay, these are there. Let's represent the number on the international place value chart. The number is 37,987,450. Okay, in this, like, we are making the group of three digits. We are making the group of 3 digits from the last we are starting. Okay, from the right we are starting in this. So we have arranged the number like 0 on ones place, 10 on 5 place, 100 on that 4 on 100 place, 7 on 1000 place, 8 on 10,000 place, 100 that 100,000 we have kept as 9. Millions we have kept the number 7, and we kept the number 3 on the 10 millions. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.